Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvan. Welcome on my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make two versions of classic bind off. First one is that one that my grandma taught me 100 years ago, it seems. And another one that is more common in Europe, as I see. They look quite alike, and you cannot tell which one bind off method did you use. There is another version of the second bind off that I will show today. It's when we are binding off in pattern, and it looks different. I will not say that it looks better or worse. Every look has its aesthetics, and each of you should choose your favorite one. That's how it looks on finished items. I really do not remember now which one did I use on any item. Here and here. Sometimes you just try method and you see how it works, and you cannot know in advance will it work or won't it. So let's start the first variant. Those binds off are not considered to be elastic ones, but I will show you that they are still quite elastic, even on not elastic string, as I have right now. It's an Aulafos Lopi. Yeah, it's not stretchy at all. And I have here a ribbon 2 on 2. And what we're doing, we knit two first stitches. Slip off those 2 stitches. Yeah. And then we place that stitch back on the left needle. And then we knit those stitches 2 together again. Not looking on the pattern, what we have, knit or purl. Yeah. And also I am knitting everything through the back loops because it's continental style and it's worked flat, and right legs of stitches are behind, so it's very convenient to pick up them from behind. Yeah, knitting 2 together, slip from the left needle, place that stitch back on the left needle, and knit it together with the next stitch. You should watch your tension doing this. If you will make this stitch quite long, it will be wider. The binded off edge will be wider, and there is a warning, it could be too wide, it could be sloppy. Making this stitch too short, you are endangering yourself on having too tight edge. So sometimes I'm holding another edge of the fabric with rest of my palm to have like some tension, to not over tight it. Yeah, like this. So this is a ribbon 2 on 2. And look, it's quite elastic, even with not elastic string. And from other side, it's those like small knots that form purl knits. Let's make the second kind of the classic bind off. We knit first stitch, we knit second stitch, and then we slip the first stitch over the second stitch, and we have in the result one stitch. Then we knit the next stitch, the first on the left needle, and doing the same, slipping first stitch on the second stitch over, knit and slip, knit and slip, as you can see, it's the same, but it's the matter of how it will be more convenient to you. And let's go to the last one. Let's bind off stitches in pattern. It's the variation of the second kind of classic bind off. If we see knitted stitch, we knit it. If we see purl, we purl it. So this one we knit, this one we knit too, and slipping the first stitch on right needle over the second stitch on right needle. Next stitch, it's purl, and slip it over, knit, slip, purl, slip, knit, slip, purl, slip, knit, slip, purl, slip, knit, slip, purl, slip, knit, slip. If in those first two cases the bind off edge, the bind off stitches, they look at us, they look in front. So here it looks like in the direction of the fabric, and this braid is on the up, not here. So it's your choice how to do it. Thanks for watching me. Follow my channel. I wish you a great day. Goodbye, guys.